If you're working a 9 to 5, if you're self-employed or entrepreneur or a combination of those things, or if you're retired and you're trying to find more meaning in what you do, more joy in it, more purpose in the thing that you're going to deal with every day, and you're struggling with that, and it's not always an enjoyable experience to go into, this might be for you. And I wanted to specify that because, I really want everything to be for everybody. The truth is that it's not. Um, some people are comfortable where they are. They're not trying to move anything to the next level, and there's nothing wrong with that. Uh, some people are just comfortable in their place. If their place is thriving and doing well, that's good. If it's not, then and they're comfortable, that's fine. So that's not for them. This is for those who are trying to just move things up a notch and find a little bit more peace in their moments and have things be just a little bit better for them. I think this you're going to hold on to. This is part 2 of the power of reframing. So I don't listen to Steve Harvey often, but I happen to be listening to him. I don't know how it came up that I heard him on something, and he made the statement of leaning into your gift. And I sat with that. That's what he said that he did. And I sat with that for a while. I said, man, that is a righteous point. I like that. I think that's a part of something that I can use. And sure enough, it has now become part 2 of this power of reframing. And it's for those who may be going to a 9 to 5 and you hate getting up, going to that job one more day, one more time, or I hate dealing with these people over here, or if you're self-employed as a maybe entertainer or something and you hate working with this particular client or going to this gig or doing something, and whenever you find it more difficult to go through the task, or even if you're retired and just getting up, oh man, here's another day, and don't have anything really going, lean into your gift. That's the reframe. What I just said was the old frame. The reframe is to lean into your gift, because when you do that, you're going to find a different kind of joy, a different kind of meaning, a different kind of purpose in what you do than you did previously with the new frame. Now, what that means is, first of all, you've got to identify what your gift is, because you might say, well, first of all, what is this gift that I have? I don't know. I don't know what your gift might be. It could be any number of things, but I can guarantee you have a gift with something that you do that other people may struggle with. Something that when you do it, you would do it without even getting paid. Something that when you're doing it, you seem to even lose track of time. So much time has gone by, you don't even know because you're engrossed in it. It's like a gift for you. Identifying what that gift is. It could be the gift of something that you might not even be aware of. Like you might think your gift is singing or performing or something like that, but your gift actually might be inspiring people or bringing comfort to people who are going through something. Your gift may be finding solutions. Your gift may be your creativity, that you can find creative answers to things that other people struggle with. Your gift may be being able to be calm in chaotic situations. Your gift may be finding that needle in the haystack when other people are struggling trying to do that. Your gift may be listening. Your gift may be that of a poet and poetically expressing things, because that's what I feel true poets are. They're not just people who say words that go together, but they poetically live their lives. And that might be your gift in the way that you do the things that you do. Identify what that gift is. That's step number 1 to leaning into it. Number 2, develop it. Once you take the time to discover what that unique piece is about you, hone it, develop it, fine tune it. If it's finding solutions, then maybe start looking into new ways that you can create solutions or answers, or research people who are good at doing the same thing that you do. Um, Whatever it means to fine tune that. And that's why I said earlier, all messages is not for everybody. So It takes extra effort to do this, but the reward that you get from being able to lean into this gift is phenomenal. So you identify what that is. After you identify it, you start to develop it and then apply it and adapt it in your environment, whatever that environment is. If you can find a way to creatively bring joy, let me tell you something. I've done many jobs and done many things in my time. I worked on a dock at one time, loading 18 wheelers and box cars and things like that. And everybody was in just a standard blue outfit or something like jeans or something, not jeans, but like pants that go together to work on a dock, right? And I just decided I was going to start coming in wearing a tie. Just going to wear a tie every day I've come to work, man. And because I'm a poet, and so that's poetically dressing for me. And I just had fun coming in and watching other people's reactions. And some people thought I had gotten promoted and had made supervisor. Other people became a little resentful. Who does he think he is wearing a tie? And, you know, but it was just fun. It was kind of leaning into my gift to make the day go by easier. And go by. It didn't change the job. It just reframed it. And that's what I'm suggesting to you. Whatever you can creatively unleash in yourself, identify your gift, find out what that thing is, that special thing, because man, it's a horrible thing to go out of this life and never find the thing that you really love to do. And you might have gotten so distracted watching other people's things, watching other people do their thing. Take the time to find your gift. Once you identify that, and then you start to develop it and hone it and shape it into something that is even more uniquely yours, and then apply it and adapt it in an environment. You might feel that you have a gift that can't be applied at the job that you work at because you don't like the job, you don't like the people, whatever it is. Then maybe there's another gift that you haven't uncovered yet. Maybe you haven't found this other thing. So to find the gift, experiment with different things. Yeah, be still to think about it, but experiment, try different things and see, man, maybe I'm good at this, or maybe I'm good at doing something else. Experiment, explore, try different things and see if things seem to come more naturally with you as your gift. Um, and then apply it and adapt it to the environment. And you might find that just by leaning into your gift, that reframe, instead of just going to my job or just waking up as a retired person or going to do another gig, instead of that, you find a new opportunity to lean into your gift and see if you can't find more meaning, more joy, and more purpose in your life. That's the reframe.